I bought and tested these watches so you don't have to waste your money. In a world where luxury watches are often synonymous with one name, Rolex, I'm here to show you 5 incredible timepieces that not only match the prestige but in some cases exceed it. Let's dive into the craftsmanship, style, and features that make these watches stand out from the crowd. Product number 1, OLEVS Men's Luxury Chronograph Watch. When I first laid eyes on the OLEVS Men's stainless steel chronograph watch, I was captivated by its bold, classy design. The gold and silver tones together with the blue chronograph dial create a visual feast that demands attention. I remember wearing it out on a date night, and my partner couldn't help but compliment the luxurious look. It's not just a watch, it's an accessory that elevates your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. The 41K sits comfortably on my wrist, and the luminous hands are not just a feature but a necessity for late-night events. The precise chronograph function is what truly separates this watch from many others in its price range. With 3 subdials showcasing chronograph minutes, hours, and running seconds, it not only tells time but does so with grace and accuracy. I found myself using the chronograph feature more than I thought I would, timing everything from my morning coffee brewing to the duration of my workouts. The Roman numerals, coupled with diamond indexes, add a touch of elegance that caught everyone's eye. It's like wearing a piece of art on your wrist. The stainless steel band is another highlight. It's engineered with precision, providing a comfortable fit that doesn't pinch or dig into my skin. I had the option to adjust it easily, thanks to the free adjustment tool and extra links provided by OLEVS. This attention to detail is something I appreciate, especially when buying a watch meant to be worn daily. Now let's talk about the downsides. While it boasts a waterproof rating of 100 feet, I wouldn't recommend wearing it while swimming or diving. This limitation might deter some water sports enthusiasts. Also, the watch lacks a self-winding feature. It's quartz, which means you'll need to replace the battery eventually. However, considering its price point, these are minor drawbacks. But why should you buy it? If you're looking for a watch that mixes functionality with elegance, this OLEVS model is an excellent choice. It's perfect as a gift for any occasion, be it Father's Day, anniversaries, or birthdays. The sparkle of the crown logo against the diamond dial adds a special touch, making it a memorable gift. With a 30-day return policy and a 1-year warranty, OLEVS stands behind their product, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Product number 2, OLEVS Classic Men Watches with Date. The OLEVS Classic Men Watches with Date is another gem that caught my attention. At first glance, it exudes a sense of timeless elegance that anyone can appreciate. I wore it to a business meeting where I needed to impress, and it certainly did the job. The gold stainless steel material gives it a luxurious finish, while the scratch-resistant face ensures it will stay looking pristine no matter what. One feature that I found exceptionally useful was the day-date function. In our busy lives, it's easy to lose track of time, but the added functionality makes it practical for everyday wear. The luminous hands are a thoughtful addition, allowing me to check the time even in dimly lit conditions. I once found myself in a candle-lit restaurant, and the luminous feature came in handy, allowing me to keep track of time without fumbling around. However, this watch isn't just about looks. It boasts a robust build quality with a thickness of 11 and a diameter of 14. It feels solid on the wrist, which is reassuring for someone like me who prefers durable accessories. The steel band, measuring 21 in width, complements the overall aesthetics, providing a comfortable fit that doesn't feel too heavy. On the downside, while it's labeled as waterproof, I wouldn't recommend diving with it. It's suitable for swimming, but I discovered that pressing any buttons underwater is a no-go. Additionally, the night light function requires some prior exposure to light to activate, which might be a slight inconvenience for some. So why should you consider this watch? First, it's versatile enough to transition from business meetings to casual outings seamlessly. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish watch that doesn't break the bank. Plus, with a promise of quality and customer service from OLEVS, you can buy it with confidence. Product number 3, OLEVS Men's Chronograph Luxury Dress Watch. The OLEVS Men's Chronograph Luxury Dress Watch is a sophisticated piece that caught my eye during my search for a versatile timepiece. With a case diameter of 43 mm and a thickness of 13.5 mm, this watch has a commanding presence on the wrist. I wore it to a formal event, and it was met with numerous compliments, which made the experience even more enjoyable. The unidirectional rotating bezel and the multi-needle design offer a practical touch while keeping the aesthetics sharp. What I found particularly fascinating was the moon phase feature. It adds an element of intrigue and makes the watch not just a timepiece but a conversation starter. Everyone I spoke to was intrigued by the moon phase window and how it adds an extra layer of functionality. The 3i design is not just for show, it serves real purposes like timing different activities. I used it to keep track of my cooking times while hosting a dinner party, which proved to be quite handy. The watch is made from 316L stainless steel, known for its durability and resistance to scratches and tarnishing. The craftsmanship is evident, and I love how the silver strap matches well with both casual and formal outfits. The added free band adjustment tool was a pleasant surprise, allowing me to tailor the fit perfectly. However, the watch does have limitations. Its water resistance is rated at 3 atm, which is fine for everyday splashes but not ideal for swimming or prolonged exposure to water. Additionally, it's important to note that the watch isn't self-luminous. You'll need to charge it under bright light to activate the luminous function. So why buy this watch? If you're in search of a luxury watch that combines functionality and elegance, this OLEVS model is a fantastic option. It's perfect for gifting as well, with its elegant packaging and thoughtful features that cater to both style and practicality. Product number 4, Bulova Men's Classic Chronograph Watch. The Bulova Men's Classic 6-hand chronograph watch is a sophisticated option that brings vintage vibes into a modern context. When I first wore it, I felt an instant connection to its classic essence. The black iron-plated stainless steel case, accented with gold tone elements, gives it a striking contrast that stands out without being gaudy. I wore it to a business dinner, and it seamlessly complemented my attire, showcasing that it's not just a watch but a style statement. The 6-hand chronograph function is impressive. It allows for precise timing, which I found useful for various tasks during my busy day. Whether it was timing a presentation or keeping track of lunch breaks, this watch proved to be as functional as it is stylish. I also appreciated the 24-hour time display, which adds a layer of sophistication that's increasingly rare in modern watches. One of the significant selling points for me was the 8 diamonds that adorn the watch face. They add a unique touch that elevates its status as a luxury watch. The mineral crystal covering is durable, yet allows the beauty of the diamonds to shine through. However, this watch is rated for 30 m of water resistance, which means it's suitable for light splashes but not for swimming or diving. On the downside, the weight of the watch can be noticeable after prolonged wear, especially for those unaccustomed to heavier timepieces. It also lacks some of the modern features like luminous hands, which might be a drawback for some. So why consider this Bulova watch? It's perfect for anyone who appreciates classic design and functionality. The combination of craftsmanship and elegant aesthetics makes it a worthy addition to any collection, whether for personal use or as a gift. Product number 5, OLEVS Automatic Business Dress Watch. The OLEVS Automatic Watch for Men is an exceptional piece that stands out in the realm of luxury timepieces. The self-winding mechanical movement eliminates the need for batteries, a feature I found incredibly appealing. I wore it for a week, and I was impressed by its ability to keep time accurately without needing a charge. The elegant big face design, coupled with the skeleton display, adds a layer of sophistication that's hard to overlook. What sets this watch apart is its versatility. I wore it during casual outings and formal events, and it fits seamlessly into both environments. The adjustable strap made of 316L stainless steel felt durable yet comfortable against my wrist. The watch is designed not just to tell time, but to be a part of your personal style. The day-date function is an essential feature that I found useful in my daily routine. Waterproofing is another positive aspect, rated to a depth of 100 feet. While I wouldn't recommend diving with it, it can withstand splashes and brief immersion, which is perfect for everyday wear. The luminous feature is a thoughtful addition, allowing for easy reading in low-light conditions. I tested this during a late-night gathering and it worked perfectly. However, a potential downside is that the watch can be a bit bulky for those with smaller wrists, and the intricate design of the skeleton may not appeal to everyone. Additionally, while the self-winding feature is a pro, it does mean you need to wear it regularly to keep it functioning accurately. Why should you buy this watch? If you're in search of a luxury timepiece that combines timeless elegance with modern functionality, the OLEVS automatic watch is a fantastic choice. It's not just a watch. It's a statement piece that's perfect for gifting to someone special or treating yourself. In conclusion, if you're looking for luxury watches that provide exceptional craftsmanship and elegance, these are 5 remarkable options that can easily rival Rolex. From the OLEVS models that combine functionality with style to the classic sophistication of Bulova, there's something here for everyone. Don't just settle for the expected, explore these alternatives and find the perfect timepiece that resonates with your personal style.